for safety purposes, the very first thing you're always going to want to do before you work on your Levoit air purifier is to unplug it from the wall. The very next step is going to be cleaning the external surface of the Levoit air purifier. We want to make sure that we don't scratch the top of that interface, and we're going to use a microfiber cloth to clean off that film of dust. Take a look at these sets of holes above the intake of the Levoit air purifier. That is what is called an air particle sensor. So what I like to do is I like to target this area with a vacuum that has a brush attachment, and then on top of that I like to go over the whole entire external surface of the Levoit air purifier to remove any dust or any type of particle film on the Levoit air purifier. See how it says open with an arrow? That's just letting you know that you can actually twist the unit counterclockwise to disconnect the top half of the air purifier from the bottom half. And that just allows you to disconnect the motor from the filter. And not only does this allow you to take the old filter out, but this allows you to get in there with that vacuum and brush attachment to get in there and clean the insides of the walls as well as the bottom of the air purifier, because you're going to notice that there's a lot of sediment and dust film not only on the sides but on the bottom as well. The next step is going to be unboxing your replacement Levoit air filter. It is very important to remove that plastic film because that's the last thing you want to do, as it will impede the airflow of the air purifier unit. With the tabs facing up, go ahead and just use them to gently set the replacement air filter back into the base of the air purifier, and align the top motor unit with the base and just simply push down. Plug the Levoit 600S back into the wall and turn it on. The next thing we're going to do is get rid of that change filter light. Open up the VSync app and click into the Levoit 600S air purifier. You'll see in the upper right hand corner, settings, it's like a gear icon, and go down to filter life. You'll see how it says 0% remaining. Go ahead and click into that and you'll actually see how it says right there on the bottom, it says done replacing filter. This last step was reserved at the end for a specific reason, because once you click done replacing filter, it's going to prompt you to confirm, because you will not be able to revert the changes. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced the air filter within the Levoit Core 600S.